on!
Helly's promise. Helly is the fastest helicopter at the fire station. He is always the first to arrive on the screen when there is a wildfire.
Ha! I arrive first, right? Yeah. You're the best.
I knew it. Now let's put out the fire.
Good job, Helly and Hilo.
Thanks. You worked hard too.
He is also the first to arrive on the scene when there is a flood.
Take these tubes! Thank you very much.
I thought I was going to drown.
Helly, I can't keep up with you.
I'll always be number one.
That's not all. Helly is always the first to arrive when there is an emergency patient.
Helly, take him to the smart hospital. Don't be late or else his life will be in danger. Go!
Yes, Doctor. Good work, Helly. The patient will be fine thanks to you. Thank you!
It wasn't until late at night that Helly could drag his tired body back to the fire station.
Helly, you just got here?
Yeah. Hey, hello.
Good work. Now go wash up.
Nah, I'm just going to sleep.
Helly, a helicopter plays an important role putting out fires and rescuing people. Safety comes first.
Safety is most important. I know.
Then why are you being so lazy?
Come on. Safety and cleanliness are completely different things. Oh, leave me alone. I'm going to sleep.
Helly instantly fell asleep.
Come on, Helly! Fine then.
Hello fought the urge to wake Helly up and get him to wash up. The next day was a day off. Everyone seemed excited to finally get a break from work.
Phew! I'm going to take a nap since I don't have to work all day.
Hello was displeased with Helly for being very lazy.
Helly, on our days off, we have to get our engine, hoses, and ropes checked. You should get the dust off your propellers. I told you to wash up before bed.